Hello everyone, it's me asmarif welcoming you to my new tutorials, and today I'll show you the MidJourney tutorial. And today I'll show you this type of smoky model face in a MidJourney AI, how to make this type of amazing work with this. So you will get the amazing prompts and all the tricks over there in this video. So hit the like button and subscribe my channel to get the new notifications again and the next. So at first going to Discord, after going to Discord here, just going to the prompt option, the imagine, and I already made a prompt by using that the cinematic shot like a fairy woman with the fire smoke around her flow, and the style light blue and pink, that means the light definitions and the color patterns and all the things like vibrant color, which is really important to mention that, and the volumetric lights, that means like the light is coming, and then the sharp focus, and here aspect ratio 4:5 and the version 5.1. the style is raw. We are copying this one, copy this one, and going to the Discord. In this portion you can write down here and control command V. So here cinematic shot fairy woman with the fire smoke around her, and just hit the enter button. After using the enter button, the prompt will taken by the Discord, and it will provide you the result. Yes, they are working with that, and we'll make another variation, control command V, and here fairy Indian fairy woman, will just write down over there Indian fairy woman, and just hit the enter button. So two prompt I entered over there in the Discord, and what the result they are showing me here. I'm using 5.1 and 4.5, which is the aspect ratio. So if I don't mention the version, that means if I use only 5 version and style raw, what they are showing, you have to provide the space over there, version 5.1. style is not compatible with the 5.5. that means this version is not compatible with the 5. You have to use 5.1 mandatory. So that is the mandatory option to make this. So here is our result, that is loading up. Wow, that's amazing, actually amazing feel. 1 2 3 and 4. We'll upscale this one. Here is upscale options. U for upscale 1 2 3 and 4. What about the Indian portrait? In this version we are getting the Indian portrait like that, the Indian traditional girl with the traditional dress and smoke, all the things are amazing. So we'll upscale it up again. Okay, that's fine, we just upscaled. If you want to open it up, or you can get this image, you have to open in a browser. So after opening that, it will open up in browser. So I want to make this one into open it browser, and the third one opening it browser, and here opening it up browser. Okay, that's fine. We are upscaling this one, that means we are getting the high range or high pixels images, and this one as well, and last one I'll open it up into the browser. So here the first image, amazing, the skin tone, light, smoke, everything amazing. If you want to go for photography, but making this type of photography, you have to give lots of effort, so which is really amazing. You can give your effort into the prompt, and the AI is making you this type of such amazing image, so which is really amazing. So Indian pattern, Indian accent, Indian traditional girl, texture and everything, really amazing. So it will help you out to how to make this type of things. So I'm saving this out, and I'll save it in my directory, lots of folder over there. I have to go to my photography options. That's good. I'll save it up. 1 2 3, that is the blurry image actually, 4 and 5 6 7 and 8. That's good. And I'll open it up into the Photoshop, going to the file and going to the open up. And if I go to my directory, going over there, and here is the photography options. So last 8 image, I'll open it up, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and open it up, 2 3. Okay, that's good. 1 2, making it bigger. Okay, those are in the PNG version. I want to make this one into like a JPEG version. How to do that? Before that, I want to put my logo over there, which is the AI generated by asmarif, like that. I already made that logo. So here is 300 dpi and the big logo. I'll just place that logo over there. And if you want, you can change up the color by going the filter and camera filter. Select this and filter and then camera filter. In this portion, you are getting lots of setups. If you want, you can make or change this. Okay, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, vibrance and everything. I want to make this one like that. And from the color mixture, blue hue, I will make it cyan hue. So not too much, a little bit, -24, and hit OK. So we are getting the changes over there. Or you can keep this one into raw style. And after that, going to the file and going to the save as options or save copy as options, and then make this one into the JPEG version and then save it out and save. Your project will save in a JPEG. So hope that you learned a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any sort of questions, query, requests, please do comment in my video comment section. Until the next video, I'm signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.